Hello guys, this is Ghost Power Ugiagbe. So today we are going to talk about the best way that you can, the best blog you can write online and make money from it, which is you are blogging on your website, or you are thinking about what are the keywords you need to rank for, what are the best keywords, what are the best niche you need to write articles about that can pay you a good passive income online. So today I want to share a few tips that can help you to grow in that your business, and that can help you to start picking up on Google. So the first thing you need to do before you write your article, you need to go and do research. Don't just think it on your head, write the articles and you go back again and do a research. No, first you need to do the researching. Then after you have a low competition keyword, which is a low competition keyword is a keyword that you have a chance of ranking on Google with this with a low competition keyword. A high competition keyword means that you will have difficulties on ranking on this keyword. Why? Because there's people who is already ranking on this keyword, and there's a lot of people, more than millions of people ranking in that keyword. So it's going to be very difficult for you to just come out and overthrown those people. So that is why it's a high competition keyword and a low competition keyword. This is Google is letting us to know in a low competition keyword that this keyword we are trying to rank for is have a low searches. Not that it have a low searches, but it have a low competitors that is ranking on this keyword. So that is why we need to pick a low competition keyword, because we might have a chance of ranking anyhow anyway with this type of keyword. Let me say, for example, you are ranking for a keyword about how to lose weight. You need to go and do a research of this keyword, how to lose weight, to pick a so that you can pick a particular niche that you can really rank for. So that is why you need to do the research. So when you have the right keyword you want to rank for, which is you got the right keyword about that keyword will just measure how to lose weight. You got the particular word that you can really rank for. Let me say lose weight, or lose weight fast, or best way to lose weight. It just depends on the keyword you want to rank for. How to lose weight, the best way to lose weight, the best way of the best way of losing weight without fitness, all those kind of keyword. You just think on your head what you need to rank for. So once you get the keyword, then you can now go and start take the keyword and go and generate a topic. Like, think about when you get the keyword, like the keyword have to appear on the title of that your blog you are trying to write. So now that let's assume now that you have the keyword you want to rank for. Now you need to pick a title, something very, very unique and attractive, that catchy, something that have eye catchy. When people see the title, it will push them to read the article. So when you are writing the article, first you need to give introduction. Then when you give introduction of that blog you want to write about, then you can start writing about your blog. So when you start writing your blog, the first paragraph, you need to explain why this blog will solve their problem. So the thing that this blog is going to solve. So once you give introduction of what this your blog can solve, then you can start writing the solution. That is the solution that this person that clicked on this your blog is what it can solve for them. And they are reading the article because they want to solve problem, not that because you have a good articles. It's because the articles, the blog can solve their problem. That is why they are reading your blog. So once you start solving their problem, then you will put a call to action. This call to action, this is where you are going to be making the money from. So you are going to be redirecting them to go to a particular place and tell them that they have to click on this if they want to really get a final solution of their problem. So it's like you are giving them, explaining their situation to them, telling them what you can do, what you can solve, and you are telling them to go to this place and take it so that you will solve your problem. So that is what you are doing in a blog. I don't know what you are writing on your blog, but you just need to make sure you are aligning it, putting it in the right direction that will really help people that is reading your blog for you. So if you do this, you will see that your blog will start ranking on Google and getting re-engagement. Don't just write blog, but write a blog that is solving problem. So your blog need to be a problem solver, because anyone that click on your blog, they are trying to solve a problem. So make sure that your blog is solving a problem. Let me say you are done writing your blog. So to optimize your blog and make sure your blog is at the top of Google, is ranking number 1 on that keyword you are ranking for, you need to use this tool, which is Sofa SEO. Sofa SEO is a tool that allows you to optimize your blog and make sure you are ranking at the top of Google. So it's going to tell you what other competitors have done that you can do so that you rank more higher than them. So it will tell you the competitor 1, 2, 3, 4, so that you will be on the first page. So that is why you need Sofa SEO. What it do is that it analyze other websites and other website that is ranking on that same keyword, that is ranking at the top, which is number 1 on that keyword you are ranking for. Let me see how to lose weight. It's going to show you people who is ranking at the top. So that is what Sofa SEO is doing, is helping you to be in the top of Google. And by using Sofa SEO, you can optimize all your blog that you have already written on that your website. So Sofa SEO is not free. They have a paid plan on Sofa SEO. It just depends on you. If you want it, is a good way that you can use to optimize your blog to rank at the top of other of your competitors. So what I want to say before I end this video is that you do this keyword, it's not only that because you are using Sofa SEO that is the end of the it. You need to still keep on like doing linking. So you need to go to other websites, like ask people to do backlinks, so to send backlink to that your blog. So backlinks is the best way that you can use to signal Google, so that Google will see, this person is getting signal from other websites, like is getting backlinks from other websites. So this is going to help your articles to be at the top, because this is going to signal Google that people are talking about this person, people are sending people from other blog to this particular blog. So this is going to help you to quickly rank faster on Google. So that is what I want to talk on this video. So if you enjoy it, you know what to do. All I just want you to do is to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll end this video and I'll keep on making great content like this. I'll say thank you very much and see you on my next video.